Yeah, I like that. Gotta get your groove on. Gotta get your groove on.
Gotta get your groove on. Gotta get your groove on.
Give me that.
All right, this is Gucci. Gucci.
Wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. Give me that.
Thank you.
Gotta get your groove on.
Come on. I ain't gonna showboat on, bro. What's the point? What form say? Oh, blocky, oh, blocky and eerie. Fuck.
What it do, man? It's crazy, bro. This game was insane, bro. My offense was on a whole nother level. Defense, we starting off. Come on, give me that, coach. We starting off right, coach. I'ma chime in every now and then, man, but enjoy the gameplay, coach.
Slide. Got one. Can I get it there? That's the question. And all. But bro on a crazy little win streak right now. It was like 200 some games, bro. I'm like, you violated, bro. Get into the fullest, dog. What's this one? Hurry up. Oh, I can't lay up.
Give me that.
Give me that.
Man, the boy strapped in, boy. Major seatbelts, coach. Let me get that up off you, dog.
All right.
Expose him. Expose him.
That's a hell of a ball. Fuck. Give me that. I knew you was going there. I knew you was going there. I knew you was going there. You saw that. It's just instinctual, bro. He's been running that route, and I've been leaving that route. That whole last drive, while he's been trying to hit that post and that slant up the middle. I've been leaving that route. So, and he threw the pick off the post. So now in his head, he probably, he been leaving the flats open. Maybe I just hit the flat next time. No. It's over. It is over.
Bro, 21 skunk in the first quarter is wild, coach. It's wild, coach. New offense is going crazy. Same defense as last year, bro. Just getting a little better, bro. Getting a little more comfortable. Getting a little more fluid with the adjustments. Learning how certain zones play with certain aspects. He threw me another one. Ooh, that should have been another book, coach.
Damn. You know what? That's on me. He think he got something now, and he ain't really got too much. I literally Go and hit that streak because you think it's over. And then we'll put a quick end to this little running extravaganza. Excuse me.
Here we go, 46. 26. 26.
See, look, like, why he stopped? He's gonna stop. Give me that, bro. I threw a pick. Oh, he's horrible.
I believe in you. Hard time. Catch it. 43. 43. Hard time.
Cause like, why are you on my field, McKinnon? You cool and all, but you're not the guy. My first message of the game of the year. He about to turn up, bro. I'm about to be a part of a 21 point challenge, bro. He about to turn up. Let me focus. Let me focus. I gotta get a bucket every time. I'm not about to end up on TikTok. That's an arrow. Run his little ass over.
Rolling, rolling. Hey, 57. Hey, 57 colors, 57 colors. There's Ike.
Lean with it, walk with it. 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 Lean with it, walk with it.
Yo, my boy Pacheco was lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it. Going crazy on him, coach. Follow me.
Give me that.
Oh my God. Another one, coach.
Walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch some bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil under.
I'm not liking it. I need to figure out a better way to keep this ball to him. If you RPO, that's mine, sir. Oh no, that's me, bro. Go ahead, hurry up, because you think you got something. Thank you. Ooh, that was a route. That was a route. Yep. Bro.
We're going to 54. Right here.
Kill him. Come on.
Good first little drive by him to get in the end zone, my boy. Man, I still learning this RPO, man. Bad kick by him. That's why I ended up on the 40. But we just moving and grooving, coach. Easy. Zig, of course. Pick my boy up. We're going to hurry up, man. Let's go. Hit the corner. Yes, that's a die, coach. Yes, sir, Ski.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Here we go, go, 54, go. Hey, kill. Here we go, 47. 26.
The snuggie was real tight, coach. He was in a snug dug, but 4th and 11, man, gave this up, coach. I gave up a corner route, man. It's hurt my heart.
I got
Hurt
this
my
in route.
heart, coach.
He got me. Good play. Here. Can't be mad at that. It should have been mine. Oh, that's so crazy.
Give me that.
Give me that.
Oh, he better
That's
throw
crazy,
up, boy.
coach. Almost 50 points in the first half is wild, boy. That's a crazy crosser. Him got out of bounds. We going for the 50 ball, coach. Can we get it? Can we get it? Nope.
Such a lofty ball. He's gonna run. That's 92 speed. We're gonna do that. So this time he's gonna jump that. I should have the in route.
Hey, 57 colors, 57 colors.
We're actually gonna put you on a zig too. Put you on a zig. We're gonna put you on a flat, and then we're gonna put you on a curl. I shouldn't even have to worry about bro getting there all the way over. Come on, bro. Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
Here we go, 46. 46.
Give me that.
Bro, you know me, we just moving and grooving. Boy, this was the craziest dive. Oh my God.
Hey, kill! 47! 26!
Go back in. I'll put a hard flag right there. On that sideline for this street. I'm not liking this, but fuck it. Oh yeah. What the? Come on. I got one.
Yo, the self-reasoning with myself is hilarious, though. But I did get one in that corner, so I won't complain too much. But 63-20 is crazy. This boy's in the snug, dog. Let me know if y'all want me to do more post-com like this or more in-game com, bro.
Gotcha.
Give me that.
Yes, I am.
That's crazy. He keep leaving this zig route open.
You know what? Take your ass to sleep. Go to sleep, big fella. Go to sleep.
Ah, oh, horse collar like a mofo. That's too steep. Damn, I had him. Going right in the gap if you don't see him. I'm going to keep him honest with that out route. Damn, he highlighted. All right. So that shit, if it is a man, it should be an ISO man. That's how you want to play it. Oh, I'm stuck.
Hey, coach, we're talking about a man on a mission. You see him right there, coach? You see number 95? That's a man on a mission, coach.
Oh. Ah. No, dude. to be mad at me. So he stops. Almost put 100 on this boy. I need the bag, pass.
Talk about a Dallas massacre, my boy. We went ballistic. Offense was crazy. Defense was even more insane.
Real heart of a warrior right here, bro. GG. Almost 500 yards, bro. 3 yards off of 500, man. I missed 10. Eight picks. $20 and 56. Hey, take that. Kelsey had 230. He had 112. Okay, 46, 68. That's crazy, bro. Air a dude out. He ain't know what to do.
You 10 out of 10, you're all that I wanted.